So we have here the formula in getting the nth term of a geometric sequence. We have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r to the power of n minus 1. So from this formula, magdaderive tayo ng mga formulas if the missing is a sub 1, r, and n. So pagsisimula tayo if a sub 1 is missing. If a sub 1 is missing o yung first term ang nawawala, we will derive the formula na matitira na sa right side of the equation is ang a sub 1. Tandaan natin na ang a sub n is the nth term of the sequence, a sub 1 the first term, r the common ratio, and n the number of terms in the geometric sequence. So if a sub 1 is missing, so we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r to the power of n minus 1. So i-divide natin. Anong i-divide natin kapag gusto natin na a sub 1 ang matitira? Tandaan natin, we are dealing with multiplication operation. So hindi tayo dapat mag-subtract o mag-minus. So it's either multiply or divide. So in this case, i-divide natin both sides of the equation by r to the power of n minus 1. Para ma-cancel out, so ang a sub 1 natin is equal to a sub n all over r to the power of n minus 1. So ito ang formula kapag a sub 1 ang nawawala. Paano naman kapag r ang nawawala? So, kanina, a sub 1 ang nawawala. Ngayon naman ang r. So, given the formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r to the power of n minus 1. So, i-divide muna natin both sides of the equation by a sub 1. Bakit i-divide natin ang a sub 1 ang both sides of the equation? Para mawala ang a sub 1 dito, ma-cancel out. Ang matitira na lang is r to the power of n minus 1. So, a sub n all over a sub 1 is equal to r to the power of n minus 1. So, para r na lang ang matira dito, kukunin natin ang n minus 1 root ng r. Katulad ng ginagawa natin sa radicals, for example, if x squared is equal to 4, para mawala ang squared dito sa x squared, kinupaan natin ang square root o ang second root ng x squared at saka ng 4. So, since 2 dito, makakancel ito, so x na lang matitira. Then the square root of 4 is equal to plus minus 2. So, ito ang gagawin natin dito. So, kukunin natin ang nth minus 1 root. Ito kukunin natin ang n minus 1 root. So, para ang matira na lang is r na lang talaga dito. So, ang r natin dito is equal to n minus 1 root of a sub n all over a sub 1. So, ito ang formula natin kapag ratio ang nawawala. Common ratio. N minus 1 root of a sub n all over a sub 1. Paano naman kapag number of terms in the sequence ang nawawala? So, given this mother formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r to the power of n minus 1. I-divide natin ulit dito by a sub 1. So, i-divide natin both sides of the equation by a sub 1 ulit para matira r to the power of n minus 1. So, a sub n all over a sub 1 is equal to r n minus 1. Now, since ang ating hinahanap ay nasa exponent, so we will change the form of this formula into a logarithmic function. Ito ang tatandaan natin when we change an exponential function into a logarithmic function. Suppose we have y is equal to x to the power of n. I-change natin ito siya into a logarithmic function. So, in changing exponential functions to logarithmic functions, the base here will be our base in our log function. So, magiging log, then base natin is x. Yung sagot natin dito, yan yung magiging partner nitong log na to. So, magiging y is equal to, ang exponent, yun ang magiging sagot. So, in changing in changing exponential functions into logarithmic functions, itong sagot magiging partner nitong log. Then itong x, magiging base siya ng logarithm. At saka yung n natin, ito yung magiging answer. So, in this case, papalitan natin siya in this form. Itong formula natin. So, magiging log of r, log of a sub n all over a sub 1 base r is equal to n minus 1. Then, since n minus 1 dito, kailangan tanggalin natin yung negative 1. So, anong gagawin natin? We will get the additive inverse of negative 1, which is positive 1. So, magiging log of a sub n all over a sub 1 base r plus 1 is equal to n minus 1 plus 1. So, ang final answer natin dito, the logarithm of a sub n all over a sub 1 base r plus 1 is equal to n. So, ito yung formula natin kapag n ang nawawala.